What are you making, Carlos?
I'm making mushrooms, Mama.
An aeroplane.
Yeah. And I'm making mushrooms.
You're making mushrooms. Oh, they look nice mushrooms too.
Can I see?
I'm making another aeroplane
Hold
because
on.
my other one broke.
Yeah, and what happened to the dog idea?
Well, I knew that I didn't know how tall the Lego man be. So it's got to be smaller than the Lego man, and I don't know how to do that.
Can you show me the aeroplane?
There.
Yeah. Can you hold it?
I'm not really going to hold it now.
Right. Is that a wing?
Yeah.
Asa.
How did you know it's going to be a wing?
The wings look like a long time.
And let me see your mushrooms. They do look nice, Anna. Three mushrooms?
Uh-huh.
Mm.
Mama.